Good morning, friends. Welcome to Azure Talk. So today the request came in from my old friend who needs Windows 7 bootable drive. So for Windows 7 bootable drive, we have two prerequisites. First one is your the ISO of Windows 7 from the trusted source, and the second one is your pen drive. Pen drive can be lesser than 4 GB or 8 GB of space. So welcome all again. So if you can see my screen, that's good. Um, what you can do is you can go to my Visual Studio download, and then from here I will just try to show you from where you can download. Okay, so now it will show you the list of download products which is available for me. This is exclusively for the MCTs. You can download it from Windows. You can type it Windows 7 and see what results comes in. Okay, and then according to your wish which version you want, you can choose it. So I chose actually the Windows Professional, and Windows Professional I have chosen. Now the second option is to get the bootable software, how you can create a bootable USB drive software. So for that I am using AnyBurn. You need to download it from here, from the link. I will try to get the links to you, like your file. Let me copy it. Okay, so that's the URL for which you will get it into the description box, and this again I will copy it and paste it so that I can give you in the description box while I post this video. Okay, so this is our ISO file is ready. I have downloaded it, and I have also installed this anyone. Now let's get started. Deep drive. So what you have to do is you need to click on this, and then it is asking for the destination USB drive. Right now we don't have any USB drive attached to my laptop, and we have the ISO file which has been downloaded. So let me attach my USB first. Give me a minute. Okay. Okay. Now I have plugged in my USB, which is empty now, and also I have to select the path. So it is formatted already, pre-formatted. It has already selected by default, and then the ISO file. Let's give the download location. So this is the download location, and say open it. Okay, now it will be writing it as an automatically on an USB-HDD, and say next. All the data will be overwritten, so it is asking me that it will overwrite the data. Basically, it will format it. So I'm saying it is okay to continue. Okay, and it will write this particular Windows server, and it will make it a bootable drive. Okay, so let's wait for the process to happen, and in the meantime, let's wait and see what happens. So basically, in the backend, what it is doing is it has taken the source, it has taken the destination, it has calculated the total size to be 2.9 GB of the ISO, and it is right now copying it to USB drive. The estimated time would be 7 minutes. So let's wait. I think we have to wait more. It is taking more time. So almost we have given around 6 minutes. Let's wait for 4 more minutes. So looks like it will be done within few minutes. Okay, so time remaining is around it's showing as 40 seconds, so let's wait. I remember back in older days we used to get from Microsoft that was more faster, I guess. But let's see. I'm using this AnyBurn for the first time. Let's see if it works or not. And looks like it will be done and it will work. Uh, I will post this whether it worked for me or not. I'm not able to record it. Maybe I will see how we can record and merge it. So I will see. Just wait. Yeah, looks like it is synchronizing the USB and it is worked. And I should exit it just now and see if it works for me or not. So I have to go to this. Ah, perfect. So this works because it has the symbol like it is a bootable drive, so it will work. Thank you very much for watching, and we you have a good day. And I will post it whether it worked for the laptop or not. Thank you very much.